Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Intelycare Nursing Jobs app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Intelycare is a nursing jobs platform designed to help nurses and nursing assistants find flexible per diem shifts at nearby healthcare facilities. The app connects clinicians with open shifts at nursing homes, rehabilitation centers, and long-term care facilities. It's available on both iOS and Android and offers features like instant shift booking, pay transparency, and earned wage access. The app's main feature is its shift marketplace. You browse open shifts, check pay rates, choose where you want to work, and book instantly with no long-term commitment. It also lets you track your hours, view weekly earnings, and access educational resources through IntelyEdu. Notifications help you stay updated on urgent openings and high-paying shifts. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its flexibility, straightforward scheduling, and competitive pay rates. The ability to choose shifts freely gives nurses more control over their work-life balance. Users also mention fast payments and good support when resolving scheduling issues. However, there are some drawbacks. Shift availability can vary by region, and some areas may experience competition for high-demand positions. A few users report occasional app glitches, slow responses from certain facilities, or cancellations that affect expected earnings. Additionally, availability may be limited compared to full-time staffing agencies. In summary, the Intelycare app may be worth using if you want flexible nursing shifts, clear pay rates, and freedom to build your own schedule. However, if you prefer guaranteed hours, consistent schedules, or long-term assignments, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.